Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your account on Whatnot Shop Sell and Connect application. So first of all, you need to make sure that this app is installed in your device. Then tap on the open button. Then you can see the interface like this. So you can create your account through US, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and continue with email. So this time I'm going to create this account with Google. So simply tap on the continue with Google, and so I already tap on my Google account, so it's loading. Just wait to get the interface. So you can see in then you have to give your phone number here. So then you have to give your phone number, then they send to you the OTP code. Then you have to copy that OTP code and paste it here. Then you have to go the forward. Then it's really easy. Then you can successfully create your account.